So, Haitian, Didi is my nickname. My real name, I'm gonna explain it to another video, not this video though. So we're gonna watch the Creole struggle. Let's get to the video.
Bonsoir. Ça passe côté papa. He went to la system
I'm already laughing.
The airport. Oh, still pas qu'on parle Creole? What you mean? I'm parling Creole right now. I'm parling Creole. Et puis tout le monde grand pour haïtien dans tête tout. Wap chanter Sweet Mickey, wap manger griot. Mais on pas qu'on parle Creole. What are you talking about? Cat man, ou pas what? No, I just can't. I can't speak it like like you, but moun comprendre when I talk.
He's doing this so good.
Right? Okay. Pon numéro pour papa. Okay, what is it? 718 544 78 99.
Damn man, slow down.
718. No, 544. Wait, slow down. What? 78? What? 99. Okay, like deal like on sell. C'est un fou de parler là, on sell. Like on sell, like on sell. Mais comme qui ça qui on sell là? Qui ça y est là? No, like set and like that, like on sell. Boule. Ok, on allait. 7 1 8 5 4 7 8 9. Alright, got it. Okay, répétez-le pour moi. Alright, yeah. 718 Créole. 7. Papa, on est joli là. 1 Créole, Léo. 1 7 1 8.
He sound like he about to cry. Creole.
5 4 7 8 9. Créole. 9. 99. Ok, ma allez, grand goût. Moi, l'acheter un légume là, vous voulez? No, thank you. Imbécile.
I'm surprised he didn't say yes.
Come back in, I'm gonna call immigration for you.
Oh man. Alright, this is the end of the video, you know. Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe. Show some support, you know. Alright. See y'all next time.